Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones Sony. So firstly we need to turn off these headphones and you need to find power button what located at the left ear cup. Right here we have it, you need to press and hold it. We just turn off it and now these headphones are disconnected from the phone and we can see this information at the device list. If you have Android, these headphones will move from My Devices to Save Devices. Then we need to turn on these headphones. So again, press and hold at the power button. Here we go. And now these headphones will reconnect with your phone. And with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.